one is 2016 Black Gold. Gonna have 6 hits. They count the metal cards as hits, though. Actually, those metal cards actually sell pretty decently, too. Better than jersey cards. 2 packs. 6 hits. Come on. 2016 Black Gold. Pack number 1. And I think the card on the back, yep, just a base. For the Raiders, franchise gold. That is, oh man, Jerry Rice, Tim Brown, and Amari Cooper. Nice little trio. Numbered out of 100. Jerry Rice, Tim Brown, and Amari Cooper. Wasn't expecting that combo. Base is Curtis Martin, this time for the Patriots, out of 100. Curtis Martin, out of 100. And should be the hits. Got a nice dual jersey, Connor Cook and Amari Cooper. Dual jersey, Golden Opportunity, out of 199. Connor Cook, Amari Cooper, dual jersey, 199. Got a Joey Bosa auto jersey, numbered out of 225 for the Chargers. Joey Bosa auto jersey. Nice. Oh, Emmitt Smith, thick one. Oh, nice. Really nice. For the Cowboys. One of those metal cards. This one's numbered 1 out of 10. Hall of Fame. That's a really nice card. Emmitt Smith, Hall of Fame, numbered 1 out of 10. That thing's huge. Huge. Look how thick that thing is. Emmitt Smith, Hall of Fame metal card. Alright. Last pack. Empty box. Ooh. 3 more hits in this pack. Hopefully some nice ones. Alright, peel the one off the back. Going to be a rookie for the Redskins, Josh Doctson, out of 100. Rookie Goldmine, Josh Doctson for the Redskins. Base is Marcus Allen for the Chiefs, out of 225. Marcus Allen for the Chiefs, out of 225. And the hits, excuse me, the hits, Corey Coleman. Oh, nice. Triple patch for the Browns. Nice pat. Looks like from the shoulder pad. Jersey patch piece from the shoulder pad. Corey Coleman, Browns, out of 50. Nice card right there. Corey Coleman. Another brownie. This time Ricardo Lewis, metallic marks. Auto for the Browns, out of 99, Ricardo Lewis. Nice card right there. Ricardo Lewis, out of 99. And the last one, Laquan Treadwell jersey for the Vikings, Golden Hands out of 199. Laquan Treadwell for the Vikings.